Dell XPS 13 Review. Display Review. The biggest difference between the non-touch version of the XPS 13 is that it has a Full HD, 1920x1080p, display, whereas the touchscreen model has a Quad HD, 3200x1800p, display. That means the non-touch XPS 13 has a lower resolution than the Yoga 3, also 3200x1800p, as well as the HP Elite eBook 1020, 2560x1440p. However, we've found a 1080p display to be more than sufficient, and that it uses less power than higher resolution panels. When I watched a 1080p trailer for The Avengers: Age of Ultron, both the non-touch XPS 13 and the touch version looked great, but colors really popped on the touch model. Details in Iron Man's Hulkbuster armor and the sheen of gold in his helmet were crisper and more vibrant. I also noticed a bit more contrast. The non-touch XPS 13 had a slight greenish cast, which was most obvious in scenes with lots of grays and whites, such as when Hawkeye was running through a snowy forest. The non-touch model still provides pleasing visuals. In fact, its matte finish enables wider viewing angles than the touchscreen version. The glossy touch panel kicked back more reflections. While the non-touch XPS 13 was just as bright as its touchscreen counterpart, 298 nits versus 295 nits, the non-touch version was less accurate, as its delta E score of 10.6 was more than twice as high as the touchscreen edition's 5.1, lower numbers are better. The non-touch Dell displayed a similar range of colors, as its sRGB color gamut of 91.7% was just a few points shy of the touchscreen version, 97, as well as the Elite eBook, 95, and the Yoga 3 Pro, 99.